So, good evening, friends. So, in the current lecture of the plastic engineering, we are going to see some of the important processes of plastic molding. Already, we have started this in the our previous class. We have studied the classification of plastic molding, and it includes this plastic molding classification includes injection molding. Then it also explains. I have also explained the types of blow molding today. Then yesterday we have studied the extrusion molding also. And just today in today's class, the actual mechanism of the process, some simulations and some videos are there. We are going to discuss on it. That I have muted the sound of that videos. I am going to explain complete. So you have to observe it. I request you to keep your mobile in horizontal position. So I am presenting the screen now. Let us see the different processes used for injection molds. So anyhow, even some of the bit is not covered. That video also will discuss so that you can understand it better in the next classes. Please pin on that sharing. I hope you have pinned on it. This is the injection molding machine. These are the grain size of the plastic raw material which is used. Okay. Component is explained here. Let us see what they are showing on the videos. So this component is manufactured by using, actually this is mold manufacturing. On the CNC machine, the mold is manufactured. So good quality of machining operation is performed for manufacturing of mold. Okay, so this is the video regarding mold manufacturing. See this now, injection molding process. Starting in the hopper, the material is blown, and then this material enters. This is the simulation, how it enters, and this is the screw type of injection mold, which I have explained you. This screw is rotating, and because of this, the color is changed. Earlier color was yellow, next color is red. It means it is reached into plasticized zone. It is rotating. Okay, and then it is injected from here. This is the nozzle through which it is injected. These are the different mechanisms of the machines which are shown. Materials suitable for injection molding includes ABS. ABS I told. Then polycarbonate, polypropylene. All this part I taught you. Earlier was ABS, then PA, then polycarbonate PC, then polypropylene PP. Then next polystyrene. Product produced includes, see, products produced include, which are the products included here? Power tool housing, wheeling bins, electrical switches, DVDs, recycling boxes, disposable razors, bottle lids. Bottle lid means cap, lid cap. So this is the bottle. This lid is manufactured by injection molding, and this bottle is made by a blow molding. Okay, in TV cabinets, telephone handsets, car dashboards, etc., etc. Now, it was just the overview of injection molding. Hmm? Later on, these videos are combined videos. Some part of injection mold, some part of extrusion blow mold. So I'm going showing all the videos, so you will understand the process in detail. Now, the same video includes extrusion blow molding part. So see the extrusion blow molding, how the mechanism is there in actual. See, this Parisian is coming out. I hope you are observing carefully. This is the Parisian which is coming out or extruded. It is two layered. See, this is complete Parisian. This is extrusion blow molding. See here. So it is of larger size. So larger size components, containers are prepared. Material suitable for extrusion blow molding. Please see once again. Material suitable for extrusion blow molding. Today only we have seen extrusion blow molding. That's why I'm showing this video to you. Parison is coming down and then it is closed in the dies. Which are these materials? Check. It is PET added, polyethylene terephthalate, PVC, polypropylene, polyethylene, and PET PVC, short forms. See, bottles and containers, automotive fuel tanks, venting ducts, watering cans. Then vacuum forming. See, it is not part of your syllabus, but just see it as a content beyond the syllabus. Vacuum forming, large dashboards are prepared by this vacuum forming process. How it is produced. This is a plain sheet. With the help of vacuum, shape is given. Check this. How beautifully this dashboard is prepared. You can guess this is a core. So in this way, the sheets are produced, the dashboards are produced, and proper vacuum creating arrangement is provided for it. All thermoplastics can be vacuum formed. Baths and shower trays, boat hulls, machinery guards, vehicle door liners, refrigerator liners, sandwich boxes, parts of vehicle cabs, interior shop signs, etc. Rotational molding, very beautiful video. Rotational molding, best application is overhead water tanks. See how beautifully these tanks are prepared. The syntax tanks which are kept on the terrace. At a time, 4 tanks are prepared. See how it works. This is a mold. It is a rotary type of mold. That's why it is called as rotational molding. So with centrifugal force, high temperature and low pressure process. Here, this is a cap. The person is preparing for it. Now see the bucket of material. See, that much bucket is sufficient to produce complete tank, because when it rotates along two axes. One is at its own axis and another with the axis of center axis of all four tanks. See, one bucket only for one tank, and it will give sufficient thickness. By the observation you have observed this shape of the tank. Now see, the cap is fitted. After fitting the cap, you may get the person is tightening the bolts. And now it is, see how it is rotating at its own axis as well as at the center axis. Once again, second mold is filled. Again, tightening of the cap. Now it is ready. It is rotating at two axes. After some time, you will observe that it is converted into beautiful water tank. See how small unit is there. Anybody want to become the entrepreneur? You can start your business. Such 2-3 machines if you keep, you can start production. Now the molds are ready for opening. See how beautiful. Some lubrication is provided, that's why it is get removed easily. See, 4 tanks are produced in one stroke by rotational molding process. So rotational molding process is applicable to such bigger size. Now this may be 500 milliliter tank. You can produce, see, polythene, LPDE and LLDPE, low density polyethylene is the best application for tanks or rotational molding. Then PVC, PP. So rotational molding process is used for thermoplastics, and sometimes it may be also used for thermosets. See, manhole inspection chamber, rainwater tanks, slides and climbing frames, diesel fuel tanks, children playhouses, traffic cones, okay, cannons and kayaks and pallets. Blow film extrusion. See, now this is a film, whatever white product you are observing, that is a film produced by blowing. So extruded in the terms of film, and then later on it may be converted into the by cutting up to proper requirement length and size. See, it is winded now. You have seen such packaging material. Large films are produced and then it is winded. Polythene bags are also produced from this by stitching and by welding operation. Product includes industrial films, packaging, that's why I said packaging there, consumer films and packaging, barrier films, laminating film, food bags, cling film, etc. Now this is machining of plastic. So wherever required, the parts can be machined. This is just for your extra information, how plastics are machined. Usually machining is very rare operation in the plastic parts. See this extrusion blow. Once again I will show it. Please pay attention. Extrusion blow molding. How this product is produced. See, this Parisian is coming downside. Okay. This is a glass. See this. Bigger jars, bottles. See, this is called as Parisian, which is coming outside this by extrusion. Saline bottles, oil jars. These are dashboard, maybe machine covers. HDP is the material used. Medium low density polyethylene. Polyethylene terephthalate. Polypropylene. Then polyvinyl chloride, that is PVC. Thermoplastic elastomers. Polystyrene. Polycarbonate. Then fluoropolymers. Polyamide nylon. Extrusion blow molding. This Parisian comes out and then mold is get closed. Extrusion blow molding, injection molding, biaxial stretch blow molding. Today I have co-extrusion blow molding. Today only we have studied this part. See this. How machines are operating with the help of hydraulic and pneumatic arrangement. First thing is plasticizing the resin. Second, Parisian production or preform production. Parisian or preform inflation and cooling. Ejection from the blow mold. See this. This is trimming. Whatever remaining part is there, get trimmed. See this now. What you observed now? 1 minute. I will hold just for 1 minute. This is injection blow molding, Parisian or preform. See this small bottle like shape. Now this will be used for blowing. It is falling down. Check. How beautifully it is observed. Intermittent and continuous. Intermittent extrusion. These machines are very costlier. This is Injection blow molding process. See, in one side Parisson is going and another side bottles are coming. Check this. See this. Injection station, blow station, strip and injection. This is the simulation. At a time, see, I will explain you. This is your blue part is Parisson. Okay, this is neck, and now this will be blown. Bottom part will be blown. Check it. I hope you are getting how beautifully it is explained. It completes fill by keeping this part as it is. I will show you that once again. See this once again. See this once again. How it is blown. Very beautiful. This is the simulation. And now you will get the product. See how covers of the machines are produced. These are the granules, raw material. Thermoplastic, thermosets. These machines are very costlier. See how trays are prepared. Check. Observe this carefully. I will take it back. Observe this process carefully now. Opening of the mold. Okay. Opening of the mold is shown. This is your runner system. This rod is runner system. Check this cursor of my mouse. This is your product. Now after opening, ejector pins will take this injection molded part out and it will fall down. And then ready for next injection. Check. Ejector pins. I hope you have seen these all areas are ejector pins. Okay. See the ejector pins. Opening, fall. Ejector pins. Closing. how beautifully workstations are arranged. Sometimes we have to need to remove it manually. Ejection system, clamping system, injection system. So this is forcing material. This was shown by me to you. Three plate molds, two plate molds, runner system. Check. See, this is a very beautiful simulation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All eights are ejector pins, and only this gap you are observing, that is your product. See, this is the sprue. You have studied the casting process. This is the sprue. Okay, this is the runner. These two are runners, and then this is your product. There are two house. This is three plate mold. Three plate mold. This is the typical process where this yellowish part is the product. Three plate mold. Check. This is runner system. Ejection. At a time, two are filled. This is ejection system. There may not be only ejector pins. There are stripper plates. So this is stripper plate arrangement. Product will fall down, and these are all runners, gates. How slowly material goes in. It is going in the mold. See, for this much small size, how much big size of the mold is provided. I think this I have shown to you. Assembling, stamping, cleaning, decorating, These are the headlight covers which are coated with different paints molded in the decorations. Coating, painting. Electrolysis plating, your telephones and other parts. So plastic base and metallic coating, how it is possible? You can see if you see your pen which is having the button, so that is actually made up of plastic, but coating is of metal. Plastic bottles. So this is the video of blow molding. These are different materials which are kept. See now bottle size and its comparison. Please see this Parison production. So these are the Parisons. This is injection blow molding process where Parisons are manufactured separately by injection process. And these are directly sent to the blow station. See, these are the Parisons are falling down. These are the Parisons. These are the Parisons which are produced by injection molding. And now these are sent to blow station. These are preheated for getting. See, from one side Parison is going, another side bottle is coming. Check. One side Parison is going, another side bottle is coming. This is the Parison and this is the bottle made by Parison. So, however, this part is same. Okay, as it is. Only the bottom part is blown into square cross section. how the line is maintained. See now, this is the parison which is converted into the jar. They are heated, preheated. The parison is converted into jar. Depending upon the requirement, it is prepared. This is compression test. Check how test is carried out. Bottle is compressed. Different testings we have studied. So how it is performing? Check. Compression test. These are your various food products which are stored in the plastic bottles. This is the parison and this is the jar. This I have shown it. Okay, friends. So this already I have shown to you. So today we have seen videos of injection molding, extrusion molding, extrusion blow molding, injection blow molding. Then we have seen the rotational molding. So these are the number of videos which will helpful to you for just increasing the knowledge by actual visualization. That's why I have shown you these videos. You can go to YouTube and search any type. You will get in detail videos. Okay. So as far as this chapter processing of plastic mold is concerned, we are going to study the different plastic molding processes, out of which these first three: injection mold, extrusion mold, then blow mold. Blow molds three types: injection blow mold, extrusion blow mold, stretch blow mold. These are covered by me. Okay, so this is all about the processes of the plastic. In next class, we will study the remaining two types, that is rotational molding, transfer molding, and compression molding. Wait, I will take.